Can't find the live option on TikTok on your iPhone? This might be due to account restrictions, region settings, or eligibility rules. In this video, I'll show you how to get the live option back on TikTok step by step. So let's get started. First, make sure your account's registered birth date is at least 16 years old, whether your live feature won't be available. Secondly, make sure you have at least 1,000 followers in your profile. TikTok requires you to have at least 1,000 followers before you can go live. This is a common requirement, but it can vary slightly depending on the region. If you want to go live without having 1,000 followers, then you can follow this process. Open up the Safari browser, then type and search TikTok feedback. Next, tap on the first link called Report a Problem. Then tap on the topic drop-down menu. Select Report a Bug/Feature Request. After that, tap on the category drop-down menu. Select Feature Suggestions. Now enter your email address and username. Next, describe your problems in the additional details box. Like, dear TikTok team, my live option is missing on TikTok and I can't host live. Please help me to host live without having 1,000 followers. Then check mark both the boxes and finally hit the submit button. After that, TikTok support will review your account and respond to you within 48 hours. And that's how you can fix the missing live option on TikTok on your iPhone. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.